Okay, so Annie here, and we are going to demonstrate our newest stencil club for June. Um, I am using the Sizzix stencil stamp platform. Um, I don't know when it came out, but it's really great for stenciling and stamping. I'm just going to show you really quick how it works in case you need it. The top lid is able to come off completely. So I'm just going to remove that because I don't need that for stamping. This is for when you're doing the stamping. But for stenciling, it comes with this little green plate here and these slots that fit into this side panel here that they have. So depending on how big your stencil is, for you to use your workspace, it falls into these little areas here. And then it has either the two holes here. If you have a stencil, you can put it right on that platform. Otherwise, you would attach your stencil here. Now, the new Sizzix layering stencils come with holes. And starting with our newer releases, we will also have the holes built into our stencils. But for other brands, other companies, you can still use the stencil platform as they sell these stencil converters. Okay, and they're actually pretty cool. They're these little doohickeys. I don't know how to explain them. And basically all you would do is they have a piece of tape that you would remove off the back, and then you would attach them to your stencil, and then it goes right into the platform. So any stencils that you have can be used in this platform if you have the stencil converters, which are pretty cool that they thought of that as well, so it doesn't have to just be their brand. This also has wrong piece, hold on. This is a little sticky, it's a tacky little work section here, so that when you're putting your card base down, well, actually, you know what, before we put our card base down, we should probably find out where our stencil is going to line up. So again, I'm just doing the June Stencil Club. This one is called Diamond Dots. And I will show you now on ours, we do have those registration holes, so they will fit right in with it. I would probably have been able to just use it right on there, but we're going to go down a little bit. So I am going to just put on my sticky pad part. My camera is not really straight. Sorry about that. I didn't even realize that. Oop, I have a lot of stuff on my desk this morning. And then it fits right into your registration holes like so. It's also a good little sticky pad. We can go ahead, and I'm just going to do these in some yellows and greens. Just going to ink up my yellow brush. And I'll show you what else I love about the platform that they have. And these you can buy separate sheets, so when it starts to lose their sticky, you can buy more of them as well, which is awesome. And it's a really low tack. This barely looks green. Hold on. This one might need to get re-inked. I have another green here, so let's go grab the darker green. Hold on. Here we go. There we go. It's so green. And this is the part that's really awesome about it, is you can remove your stencil, and then let's say, oh, I want to add a little bit more into this section. Since it's still stuck there, you can reposition your stencil and then go back in and do what you need to, because it's not going to move and it's not going to shift. So, I mean, how cool is that? So I love this new platform. I had the magnetic stamp arts, the Make Art Station, which I loved at the time as well. But I was always losing the magnet. So I like that this one, everything is pretty much stuck where it needs to be. So anyways, back to our real purpose of this video is to show us our diamond dots. That's what this one is called. And this is the beautiful pattern you will get with it. And then we can just remove it and go on to our next one. So easy peasy with the stenciling. And I am going to show you a layered one at the end that comes with our June Stencil Club, but I'm just showing you the single set stencils quickly and first. Our next one, let's just get our card down here, is just simply called Happy Birthday, and it's just the wording of Happy Birthday. And again, you have your 2 holes. I'm just gonna place those down there, and I'll just use the green here. We can get this one started with our green, and then let me get back in with some yellow. And I love it because it's more a little bit hands-free. You don't gotta like tape your stencils down anymore. Nothing's moving. It's just a really great invention and a new tool for your. Mine is brand new here, so that's why my cards are still sticking pretty well here, but all right, there we go. And there is the Happy Birthday background one. And now I'll show you how to use it with an actual layering stencil, which is what this is really, really great for, with the layering stencils. From, again, any company will work with it as long as you have those, the extenders. So this one is called Strawberry Fields, and I believe this one is a 3-layered stencil that we have. Okay, yes it is. It's 3 pieces. Okay. Again, it's got the holes in it, but they also have scored, I don't know if it's going to show up on camera, 1, a 2, and then the 3. So you know, you don't necessarily have to put them down in this order, but it's just helpful because this would be your solid piece on the bottom, which is the red. So that's why this is number 1. And again, our stencils, this is the top, so you can move your platform, you know, so that you see it top side as well. And I had a, where is my black? I'll have to find my black brush in a moment, but we're going to start with our red. And we're just going to put in our juicy strawberries. So there is our juicy strawberries. And then this can get uplifted. There is our juicy strawberries. Now we're going to put in stencil number 2, which is our green tops. And you can see how it automatically basically is showing you that they're going to line up. And so here is our green tops. And let's go get the ones that we actually made red on. Oh, missed a couple in the corner over here. So there is our green tops. See how, look at how beautiful it lines up. And then 3 is our little seeds. And let me find my black brush. I thought I took it out. Apparently I did not. This one black, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna use this one. Okay. Just gonna ink this one up. And now, oh, this one was a really juicy black. I didn't realize it was that juicy. Okay. I must have re-inked that one recently, and I don't. And there is, look at that. I mean, it does not get any easier for doing layer stencils now than with this platform. In the past, when you had layering stencils, sometimes you had to put your pencil mark around so you could layer it perfectly, you know, so that they all matched up, or you had to like shift and tape it down. But this baby, I mean, it is a game changer, and I absolutely love it. And again, it's not just for stencils. All you would do is remove your stencil. I don't know what this is actually called, the stencil adapter tool. It actually comes with it when you purchase it. You don't buy it separately. And then for your stamping platform, you just put your lid back on, like so. It's as easy as that. And you put your stamp on the back side, you ink it up, and then you push it down. So it's 2 tools in one. So it takes, you know, it replaces a couple of your other tools that you have. And there are accessories that they have for this. They have brushes for it. Again, those converter strips. Again, you can buy the sticky grid mats when you need extras. But this is what it comes with, the whole platform. And you get all of this in the box. Let me see if I can show the box, like what it looks like. It is called the Sizzix Stencil and Stamp Tool. Again, I love it. I think it is just a really great tool to have in your arsenal, especially if you're like me and you have a lot of pieces and not a lot of real estate to keep everything out at all times. This replaces, replaces the MIST-D, and it replaces your Make Art Station all in one. And I love it. So thumbs up to Sizzix for creating this. And again, look at how great and how easy it was to make a layered stencil. I mean, and it's beautiful. I love it. So again, that is our June Stencil Club, where you will be getting the Happy Birthday stencil. And sorry for the glare, it's in my built-in camera, so unfortunately I can't get that off the screen. But we have the Happy Birthday is in our June Club. Diamond Dots is in our June Club, and the layered stencil of Strawberry Fields. Stencil Club, you get 30 stencils a month for $10 shipped to your door. You don't pay shipping if you are in the United States, so that is less than $4 a stencil. It's $3.33 a piece. Helps you quickly build your stencil. It is a blind subscription. So until these videos air, you won't know which stencil you're actually getting each month. So this is June. $10 shipped to your door in the United States. If you're out of the United States and are interested, just shoot us an email. We can figure out what the shipping would be for you. And if you are interested, it is not too late to join for June. The cutoff date for the subscription is the 15th of each month. That means on the 15th of each month, you automatically billed your $10, and then they ship that following weekend. And even though technically the cutoff date is on the 15th, if you were to sign up anyway up to the 20th of each month, you could still get the previous stencil club of that month. If you have any questions, I am Annie at Stamp Anything. So thank you and enjoy the rest of your day. And until next time, keep on crafting. Have a good one. Bye.